Right, if you'd like to go there, thank you. Have a great night. Lovely. Now, gentlemen, the rules of this test are very, very simple. Tell the truth, and you've got nothing to worry about. But tell a fib, and you'll be sorry. Do you understand, gentlemen?
I do, Your Majesty. Oh, Echo, I understand.
Bring out the budgie of belligerents. Now, so good night. Is Arthur as kind as you say he is?
Your Majesty, Arthur is as kind as the day is long.
Oh, lovely. So wait night. Is Arthur John as kind as you say he is?
King John is the kindest king to ever have trodden this earth.
Wait night, you can't possibly know that, dear, as you don't know the other kings, do you? Bring out the hamster of honesty. Now, Sir Wetline.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. Is your king a king of generosity?
Your Majesty, King Arthur follows the belief that the kingdom is for the greater good of all its people.
The same question to you, Sir Webknight. Now remember, think before you answer.
King John's middle name is generosity.
Sir Webknight, you haven't quite got the knack of this, have you, dear? We'll try the next test. Bring out the terrier of truth. Is Arthur a loyal king?
He is, Your Majesty. Arthur is really loyal. Indeed, it is often said that any enemy of Arthur's friends is an enemy of Arthur himself. And that's one word.
Oh, heck.